Hi friends, welcome to John's Little World. Today we'll be doing something really interesting. We have two pumpkins, a small one and a medium-sized pumpkin. And for carving purposes, I bought a carving kit. This is the medium-sized pumpkin that I had shown earlier. Now I'm going to take this pumpkin carving to the next level. I'll try to have multiple patterns on one pumpkin and let's see how it comes out. Now I'll proceed with making the design on the front using the cutter. This is the design I have done. It's a bat, a ghost, and the message trick or treat. So I'll just show you the design. So that's how it has come. Now let's start carving. If you are implementing such a design, I would recommend starting with the eyes and then cutting off the bigger shapes, because right now this is very delicate, so I'm being very careful with the eyes. So there it is, trick or treat. The finished pumpkin carving, a bat, a ghost, and trick or treat message. That looks really nice and I'm really proud of what has actually come out. And that too for my very first attempt. And there you go. both my pumpkin carvings, the smaller one with a simple pumpkin carving face and the medium sized one which is a bit more interesting with the bat, ghost and the trick or treat message. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more notifications. Also, like, share and comment. Bye bye.